Yo, what's going on? Hola Angola, hola Brazil. Como vai? Bienvenue ao, ao meu canal. Inscreva-se, subscribe, okay? Yeah, I'm reacting to, okay, let me take it back a little bit. I'm reacting to Lurhany. How do you say that name? Vem feliz, that's the name of the song. Okay, so if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads of this channel. Okay, let's get to the song.
Otávio Pro. Viva a vida e seja feliz. Não deixes ninguém te iludir. Quando precisares sorrir, não demores, liga pra mim.
Let's see what Vem feliz means. Okay. Come be happy. That's the name of the song, okay?
Eu mando uma mensagem. Sei que o teu ex foi parvo, usou, não valorizou o mulherão que tu sempre foste. Mas a vida continua, aproveita, ser miúda, vem ser feliz. E não precisas pagar pra ver. Não, aceita, vem ser feliz, miúda, aceita. Viva a vida e seja feliz. Não deixes ninguém te iludir. Quando precisares sorrir, não demores, liga pra mim. Liga, liga. Eu mando uma mensagem. E quando ligares eu virei a correr, porque baby eu também já tava a esperar. No teu coração ter o meu espaço, encontrar o meu lugar, e mostrar quanto
Okay, I apologize, guys. I played the whole song pretty much with my face just like sticky. Anyway, you get the video. Please go watch Lurhany. I mean, some of these videos, guys, like I do not even have to mention you guys watching this, because this guy's videos are shaking up the world. Okay, like these are the most watched videos on YouTube coming out of Angola. I feel like we might be having a content creator in Angola who is having more followers than anybody else in Africa. I don't know. Have we ever looked into that? Who has more like views and subscribe? Like, man, the numbers that I see coming out of Angola, they are insane. So I apologize for my face.
Guru, vem ser feliz, porque a vida continua, aproveita, ser miúda, vem ser feliz. E não precisas pagar pra não, aceita, vem ser feliz, miúda, aceita. Viva a vida e seja feliz. Não deixes ninguém te iludir.
Making and living to be happy.
Precisares sorrir, não demores, liga pra mim. Liga, liga. Eu mando uma mensagem.
That guy was watching this entire time, this whole thing playing out. He is watching. I was like wondering why there is like a video feed there. The owner of the house is just chilling somewhere watching this whole movie playing out. Like, okay, what's happening here? Now it's like, hey, take everything. Yeah, beautiful stuff, beautiful video. I think this is not the first time I'm reacting to this guy from Angola. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, thank you. I will see you guys on the other side.